Welcome to this technical guide on the Asus AIO. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Asus AIO won't turn on, you're not alone. This issue is often linked to a malfunctioning motherboard, which can occur due to power surges, overheating, or simply wear and tear over time. If left unattended, this problem could lead to further damage, rendering your device completely unusable. To get started on the repair, you will need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, and a replacement motherboard specifically for your Asus AIO. First, ensure you have turned off the device and unplugged it from the power source. Carefully position the AIO on a flat surface. Use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws located at the back of the device. Keep these screws safe, as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently pry open the back cover using the flathead screwdriver, being cautious not to damage any clips or connectors. Inside, locate the motherboard. This is usually the largest component in the device. Look for any signs of damage, such as burn marks or broken connections. If you have identified the motherboard as the faulty component, you will need to disconnect all cables attached to it. Make sure to remember where each cable goes, as this will be important during reassembly. The screws securing the motherboard to the chassis will need to be removed next, using your Phillips screwdriver. Apply even pressure when unscrewing to avoid stripping the screws. Once the screws are out, gently lift the motherboard from its place, taking care not to damage any nearby components. Now, it's time to install the new motherboard. Place it in the same position as the old one, and secure it with the screws you previously removed. Reconnect all cables, ensuring they are firmly seated in their respective places. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Carefully replace the back cover of the AIO, making sure all clips are engaged, and then secure it with the screws you set aside earlier. Plug the device back in and turn it on to verify that the repair was successful. If it powers up, congratulations! You've successfully replaced the motherboard. To prevent this issue from recurring, ensure your AIO is kept in a cool, dry environment and avoid overloading the system with demanding applications. Regular maintenance checks can also help in identifying potential problems early on. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.